Blake Cousins here, Third Phase Moon. Welcome back, world. We have a special guest today, a man who wants to remain anonymous, but we're going to call him La Rook. And he claims that he's captured the Men in Black on video, and they've been following him around for years. We're going to go over this right now. Incredible video, evidence, strange to say the least. La Rook, welcome to the show.
Hey, thanks, Blake. Thanks for having me.
All right, you reached out to us on Facebook yesterday, and once I saw the photographs, you sent me a still in the beginning. You said you had some video, and these guys do look like the Men in Black. They look a little creepy, if you ask me. Tell me the circumstance, the preface behind this video.
Well, the reason why I was able to catch them on video this time, I think, is because I was finally with a witness, a friend. Usually, when they would come to me, I would be in such fear, Blake, that I would be almost frozen. I wouldn't really be able to actually move or even reach for my cell phone.
Really?
So I think, by mistake, they came up on me when I was with a friend, a witness.
So this isn't the first time. When was the first time you were visited by the MIB, the Men in Black?
First time, Blake, that I can remember was in 1975, and that was at my home. And I've seen them whenever I move to a different place for more than 3 months at a time. They seem to find me and make sure I see them, make eye contact with me. It seems as though they're letting me know they know where I'm at.
Wow.
And I think it's because I've been abducted since I was a child too, since I was 3.
Okay, this makes sense. This is probably why they're following you around, obviously.
I believe so, Blake. But it's been frightening to me, and finally I was able to get proof. Up until now,
Nice.
People just thought I was a little bit nuts.
Yeah.
So
Well,
I'm glad I got the video.
You got the video, and we're looking at it. We're zooming in. We're slowing things down, seeing if there's anything peculiar about these guys. They seem a little odd. They seem very odd.
They kind of move in unison.
Yes.
Yeah, very strange. They seem to almost communicate without moving their mouths.
It almost seems that way. It seems like they are aware that you are filming them almost. And you said, how were you? You said you were doing this inconspicuously. You were kind of holding the iPhone not up to your eyes. You're just holding it down at your waist level. Is that why the camera's a little shaky?
Right. And at the same time, I was talking to my friend, trying to call her attention to them because she's never heard of this before. I had never even talked to her about this before. And then after, as a matter of fact, when I tried to send her the video to her phone fried. She wasn't able to keep any of the pictures.
That's
for vacation.
That's strange. I gotta say, this is like you just paparazzi the Men in Black. You got them. It's very rare that you.
I think I did. I'm really happy that I did because you know what? It gives me validation.
And it is validating. Are these the same guys? Are these the exact same guys that visited you in 1975, or are they two different?
It's a good question. It's hard to tell. It's hard to tell because they were also similar to me. And I was in such, honestly, God, Blake, when my eyes connect with theirs, such fear runs through my body. It's almost like it's not real. It's almost like they put that fear in me somehow.
Yeah,
it freezes my body almost.
It's weird.
The fear.
So do you think they have something on them that produces this energy around them? Some maybe impulse that frightens you?
I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but it is frightening. They've only spoken to me in words one time, and that was when. And it always seems to be in a crowded room or a big crowd, like New York City, 1989. One of them walked up to me, and it looked as though he might have been getting ready to speak to me, but I couldn't tell you because his mouth was close to my ear. And the only thing that I heard was, don't take yourself so seriously. They won't believe you anyway.
Wow.
That's the only thing they've ever said.
Oh, man, that's so weird. You know, I'm looking at the fashion, whatever these guys are wearing. It doesn't seem like they're wearing anything that's, you know, in the 20th century. It almost looks like it's out of the 50s or the 40s kind of attire that they're wearing.
And the fact that it's in New Orleans, I had a house down there. The fact that it's down there, people said, well, you know, people dress up in Mardi Gras. As you can see, it wasn't Mardi Gras. It was just an everyday kind of day. You know? Yeah, it's been a frightening ordeal. Like, you know, I thank God that I have validation, and I'm glad that I have a witness. So
absolutely,
it makes me feel so much better.
So this eyewitness that was with you at the time, how are you guys related?
Actually, she's just a good friend. We're not related at all. Just a very good friend, a client of mine that came to visit me in New Orleans. I was only there for a few months. She came to see me and check out how I was making out on my new place.
Nice. So basically, she's aware of your encounters with MIB, and it sounds like some of your friends thought you were kind of, you know, nuts even bringing this up. Now you got the proof. What was she thinking? She said she was trying to get some videos and pictures, and what happened to the phone?
Well, I tried to send her the video clip that you have. I tried to send it to her, and she was standing right behind me. She witnessed this whole thing. So when I sent it to her, her phone wasn't able to pick up the video, and in the same time, all the photographs that she took during the vacation were taken away too. It was just blank.
That's weird. You know, we got the video. I downloaded it successfully, so it's going to be shared to the world. And I got a feeling hundreds of thousands of people are going to see this, and it's going to be making the circles around the world. So this is quite exciting, because the only time I've actually seen Men in Black was on a photograph, a surveillance camera, as these guys were approaching, walking in some kind of lobby.
In the front door of that hotel, right?
Yes, yeah, exactly. Now you got video.
Yes, I know exactly, because I was looking for some footage myself. You know what, Blake? People have to realize this stuff is for real. This stuff is happening to people. You shouldn't laugh when people tell you this stuff's happening. I mean, this affects people in a real, true way.
Well, I'd imagine. Look at these guys. It would kind of creep me out, no doubt about it. These two guys, they're very pale too. They have this weird pale skin on them, and they, like you say, they move around. They almost seem robotic.
A little bit, right? Yeah. Yeah. But you know what? Doing this has made me less fearful, so I appreciate your help.
Well, the power of the camera. You know, it is a free society that we live in right now in the United States, and it's basically everybody has their cameras going, and that's what's amazing. It is so powerful.
You're doing a great job, and you know what you're doing is important. I appreciate it.
Well, thank you, LaRouque. You know, we have our Facebook open to the public, and people can make submissions all the time. But when I got yours, immediately, you know, some people just laugh it off, and I'm like, no, look, we gotta look at this guy's story, hear what he's got to say, and you know, the video proof in itself is very, very compelling. You didn't set this up. This is what you saw and what you captured is the real deal. We've never spoken before, and now we're getting the word out right now.
I appreciate it, Blake. I do. I really do. You're a good guy.
All right,
thanks for your time.
Thank you. So, one last question. This alien, you've been abducted, and at the age of 3, do you have any memory of what happened? Where were you when this happened?
I do, and most of the time, and I actually even recognize somebody that was abducted along with me, and we're friends to this day.
Really?
I met him only 4 years ago, and we found out that we've been abducted together several times since I was 15.
Hey, we're this Friday, tomorrow, we're having a radio show. I'd sure like to have you and your friend on and discuss that.
Well, that sounds cool. As a matter of fact, you know what, Blake, he was next door neighbors to Betty and Barney Hill when he grew up.
Wow. Okay, well,
Yeah.
this is going to be fun.
For as you get into it. So,
Fun.
yeah, that would be fun, Blake. I'd love to do that.
Let's do it. It's going to be 12 a.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Pacific time. We're going to put the links below and the phone number. And you know what? If you could get your friend on tomorrow, LaRouque, and we could do this on live radio, that would be awesome.
Yeah, I'll give him a call.
Okay, do that. LaRouque, man, appreciate you sharing your video evidence. I look forward to the radio show tomorrow. And man, have your camera ready, because I got a feeling these guys will be back after this video gets up, right?
Totally haven't stopped. Okay, thanks, buddy.
All right, LaRouque, you have a good one. Wow, that's amazing. That is incredible. And right now, Third Phase of Moon is sharing this to the world right now. Keep your eyes in the skies, everybody. We're not alone.